All right, guys, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna update the TCM real quick. We're gonna go back to the tune that we had on before, and that was version 102. So we're gonna engage that right now. Here we go. Okay, please wait while the access port resets the ECU learning. Okay, now we're good. So now I've got one last thing I've gotta do. Even clutch torque capacity adjustment +2. Odd +2. Touch point adjustments have all completed successfully. So that was it. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna get the car washed and then we're gonna see how well these clutches hold on the freeway. Much better.
Transmission all good?
It seems like it's all good. So the problem that I was having, and I'll reiterate for, you know, people who didn't see my previous video, I would give the car some gas and the clutches would slip. Basically my RPMs would go up and you would hear it, you would hear the exhaust get super loud, RPMs would go up, but the car would go nowhere. So my clutches were slipping. So I reached out to some of my friends and they were like, hey, check out these articles in these forums. So I read the forums and they're basically like, look, when you upgrade your horsepower, you need to also adjust the clutch torque capabilities. So I just turned up my clutch torque capabilities to +2, and I think that fixed the problem. So basically what that means is they won't slip earlier. So Nissan made it so clutches will slip, so that way when you're switching between gears, they kind of slip so it feels smoother. And now I made it, I guess, harsher, but I need it because I have the torque that will make it slip anyways. So it seems to be better. Feels good to me. Like that would have slipped before. It was like downshifting from 6th to 5th gear, and then 5th gear would just basically do nothing, except be really loud. So that's cool. Well, I'm glad it's working.
Oh. What the?
Car on fire. Oh, damn. Wow, that whole entire truck was like melted from like the inside out. All right, Tranny's feeling good. I love it. My car is feeling healthy again. I can actually feel like a solid difference in the transmission. All right, guys, so Ethan is taking some shots of my car right now. He's like, he's laying on the ground right now with his camera, getting this like intense shot of my car. You guys are gonna have to check out my Instagram in a couple days to see it. What? Let me focus in. What? Focus. Focus, camera, focus. Dude, that looks awesome. All right, this is gonna be tons of fun. Hopefully my vlogging camera works well today. I keep it in auto mode because I don't really know how to use all the features yet, so hopefully it's good enough to capture some pretty good shots. We're gonna head on to the next spot.
All right, you wanna keep going down this road?
Yes, let's keep going. Dude, I'm rolling my window down. It's just too like fresh and like smells so good. All right, you guys, we're trying to get this shot. I mean, look at this shot that we're trying to get. Yeah, look at this. It looks amazing. Let me back up and kind of zoom in because that kind of gives some perspective. Look at this. The problem is, here's our problem. Here's the problem, guys. So,
hey, your car looks slammed now.
My car is slammed. Can we get out? That is the question. Will we be able to get out? So, hopefully we can get the shot. Not gonna lie, the car is looking really good. I mean, look at this. This is looking amazing. But getting getting to the spot is half the battle. Getting out of the spot is the other half of the battle. Now see, if I had some treads like this, we wouldn't be getting stuck anywhere. What about exhaust like that? Look at that exhaust. Or a snowplow. That's what I need. I need to put a snowplow on the front of my car. Hopefully my rear tires can pull me out. Honestly, guys, look at the way my car just sits. It looks so good slammed with the fat wing. Alright guys, well, we officially got stuck in the snow trying to get the perfect shot. Even though this is all-wheel drive, these tires, not cutting it. So we're using the tire iron to dig away the snow and break through the ice. So hopefully we can get the F out of here. And then we got these guys over here. They don't seem too thrilled about this situation. They're just kind of like looking. They're probably radioing in all their friends. Hey, come look at these dumb kids.
The dumb city boys.
They got their sports car stuck in the snow. What a bunch of morons. Yeah, see, you got ice right here. Let this be a lesson, boys and girls.
What a humbling moment for the great Jeff.
What a... Oh, that was perfect timing, dude. That was awesome. I guess this car can get stuck. But hey, life is all about adventures and moments. And I'm just thrilled to be sharing it with you guys. I mean, look at this. The car's on ice. Do you see that? Okay. Woo! It's cold. All right, guys. I tried to dig us out. Let's see if it works. Damn. Fine. At first, I'll just ask these guys if anybody has any. Do you mind walking with me? This is like a really embarrassing experience,
Sure,
so we just might as well capture it all on footage.
The walk of shame.
It is the walk of shame. Christopher. T.I., not T.O.
What's going on, Jeff?
All right, so they're gonna pull us, but I'm gonna Venmo them 50 bucks.
Really? All right, awesome.
That's it. Okay, I'm gonna add you as a friend so we can remember this moment. Oh, dude, I understand the situation to its fullest. That's why I walked over here and we're like, look, I'm gonna go do the walk of shame. I know these guys have been watching me the whole time, see if I can get out. I already know what's happening. Nice. So I respect that. Yeah.
So what's the plan? We're gonna...
He's gonna tow us out.
The hard part's gonna be
Hooking it onto your car.
All right, onward.
It's like 2 inches off the ground and yeah. I thought I had a tow hook, but I guess the previous owner kept the tow hook, so I don't have the front one.
What is this, a GTR?
Yeah, Nissan GTR.
I'm sure it's pretty quick. What's something like this cost, bud?
I got it for 80 grand.
Wow. What year is it?
2017.
Yeah. How many horse?
It comes stock with 565 at the crank. I've probably got, I don't know, 650 at the crank now.
God, this is all carbon fiber under here, bud.
Yeah. Yep. Straight from the factory.
Wow. No wonder they cost that much, huh?
Yeah. For those just joining, I got stuck in the snow. This kind gentleman is helping. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. They busted out this machine to kind of pave me a nice little driveway to try to get out, and now we're just digging out all the ice and snow that's beneath me.
Your frame's sitting on the snow. I don't know. We'll see.
My frame is on the snow?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it is. Well, it was fun and it was a shit show, but I got out of there, and now we just kind of want to get out of this area because oh, e-brake, sorry, my mind is on a million things right now. We just want to get out of the area, save ourselves the embarrassment. Ethan, I'm sorry.
I'm so glad we were able to get out that easily, though. I thought we were gonna be there after dark.
No, dude, I knew we were good. I only get myself into situations I know I can get out of.
Oh, he's all confident now.
Well, I'm out now. Okay. Thanks again, guy. Really appreciate you. Man. All right, well, we're back on the road. I'm gonna turn the camera off because it looks like Ethan's hand's getting a little tired, so we'll give him a break from holding it.
It's a car.
Made it.
Nice. I'm not buckled.
What?
I said I'm not buckled.
Oh, here, give me that. Give me that. We do got to be careful though through this part because it's icy. I told Ethan we had to pull over because I think these rocks are just super sick. And I just like the, I guess, granite look of it. The contrast, it just looks so sick. I mean, come on, what do you guys think? I think this looks pretty badass. Boom! I love it. I think it looks so good. Look at Ethan just working his magic. I'm gonna put a link in the description to his Instagram page. You guys gotta check it out. His shots are really, really good. Look at him. He's on a rock. In a bush. Doing his thing. I love it. Oh man, it is cold AF out here. How you feeling? Are you cold?
I'm actually feeling pretty good.
Yeah, it's not too bad, but you know, once you get the jacket on, it feels much better. All right, guys, well, I'm about to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did a lot of cool, fun things in the snow. We got stuck, we got saved. I paid a guy 50 bucks to help get us out of the snow, and it's been nothing but good times. So thanks for stopping by my channel. This video is over, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.